Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an ongoing theme where I actually produce drawings and then critique it and give a summary of how I found the drawing and what I need to improve. So this is a new type of topic that I'm doing, so it's more like kind of pop art or trying to create pop art. So it is 1, 2, 3 drawings from the one drawing, or one reference I should say, and then the fourth space is the analysis. 4 minutes per drawing and then 1 minute for analysis, and that makes up the time period for the drawing. So that's how you get really good and quick results and how to improve your drawing. So first one, good speed. It's a new style, as I said, and I feel as if that was the best one out of the 3, purely because the nose is a lot better, the mouth is what I wanted to capture. The only thing that needs improving, which obviously a lot needs improving, but the jaw is a little bit too angular, and the glasses, there's just something about the glasses. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure about it. I will keep trying and using that kind of reference and creating new other drawings on similar topics, but yeah, it's just a work in progress. It's something completely new, as I said, and it definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone, which you will see in the second one, because that one isn't the greatest. As you can see, the mouth is far too wide open, the nose is actually the best thing out of the whole drawing, and the eyes, she looks a little bit as if she has too much wine, and the glasses are far too broad for the face. So not that great. It just, everything just seemed wrong, and I decided to put hair onto it, but it's a completely wrong kind of style of hair to go with that drawing. So yeah, that's why I stopped it, and that's why I've only got one side of the head with the hair. Third one, I like the mouth and the nose, and actually quite like the jaw and the head shape. There's still just something not quite right. If you can let me know what it is, then I would appreciate it. Also, starting up a chat in the comment section would be awesome, and also to start a community, that's what I would love. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you've ever created pop art, I would actually quite like to get into pop art just for something new and to get my creative juices into it. But yeah, keep going, keep learning, and I shall see you guys next time.